Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and today I'm going to be making an easy hazelnut pie. For that I'm going to need an Oreo cookie crust, a jar of hazelnut spread, 2 blocks of cream cheese room temperature, and 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. One of the first steps will be to stir in the cream cheese and hazelnut spread together till it's thoroughly combined. Next step will be to take a mixer and whip the heavy whipping cream into stiff peaks. And when I'm finished, it'll look like that. We're going to take this and combine it with our hazelnut cream cheese spread until it is thoroughly combined and silky smooth. And once that mixture is all thoroughly combined, the last step before freezing is to fill up our Oreo pie crust. Alright, our pie has cooled and been in the freezer for 4 hours. And the most fun part is here, trying it on out. Well, considering it's almost all gone, this is an amazing pie. I won't even lie that I had doubts about it to some degree, but I think the only thing I would change at all is maybe the crust could be graham cracker too. Now, it's great as Oreo, mind you. It's just the thought that maybe if you just want to cut off on some of the chocolatey flavor, well, there you go. If you don't mind chocolatey flavor, this is great. It is a little sweet, but hey, it's a dessert. It's supposed to be sweet. And it has a lot of hazelnut flavor, which is another concern I had because you're mixing so much cream cheese with it, and I thought maybe it would drown it out, but I was wrong. Anyways, if you like what you saw, don't like what you saw, want to make it, have made it, you know what to do. Leave me a like, leave me a comment about it, and I will see you in our next video.